Reasons to invest in Noida Expressway. In this video, we will be looking at the distinctive qualities of Noida Expressway that makes it one of the best places for buying a property. Let's start with the developing infrastructure. The infrastructure of a place is one of the most integral parts, which determines how many investors are attracted to the region. Because of its developing infrastructure, Noida Expressway's real estate has been constantly thriving, and this growing curve will continue with the development of new projects. The following draft of the Noida Master Plan 2031 shows how the infrastructure of Noida evenly distributes residential and commercial areas while allocating ample amounts of greenery. Apart from accommodating the population, this green infrastructure in Noida will make it one of the most sustainably planned cities. With such developments, Noida Expressway has quickly become one of the biggest investment hubs in Delhi NCR, and you can secure a considerable benefit by investing in the region. Now we'll have a look at some of the major features of the Noida Expressway. Firstly, its connectivity. Because of its connectivity with multiple regions, Noida Expressway is a great investment opportunity, especially for business owners who need to travel frequently. The following are some of the major regions which are well connected to the Noida Expressway. Noida, Delhi, Greater Noida, Yamuna Expressway, Ghaziabad, and Kalindi Kunj Road. Additionally, Noida Expressway will feature a new metro that will further ramp up its connectivity. This metro will streamline the connection between Noida and Greater Noida West by improving the transport infrastructure and offering easy commutes and accessibility. Secondly, the Jewar Airport. The under-construction Jewar Airport will revolutionize the real estate opportunities near the Noida Expressway region. With an estimated 15,000 to 20,000 crores construction cost, it will be one of the most bustling airports in the world. Upon its completion, the Jewar International Airport will increase the property prices considerably on the Noida Expressway. Let's talk about the job opportunities that Noida Expressway offers. Because of new developments in the vicinity of Noida Expressway, the economic activities are also hiking up, which in turn are increasing job opportunities in this region. Having a property on the Noida Expressway can turn out to be a great opportunity for finding jobs. So, what is the best project to invest in Noida Expressway? If you want to invest in a Noida Expressway property, you should consider a luxury residential project like Ace Starlit. It is one of the ongoing projects of Ace Group, strategically located in the vicinity of the Noida Expressway and the upcoming International Cricket Stadium. What makes Ace Starlit unique from others is its premium glass facade and close proximity to the Sector 148 metro station. That's all for today. If you want to watch more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated.